So in my case, I'm gonna use Clerk. And if you ask me what is Clerk, Clerk, as you can see, is authentication complete user management. So we don't have to add manually, sign in, log in, or register. It can be added by Clerk in very simple way. So make sure to make an account and go to the dashboard. Here I'm going to create a new project, create application, and it will be inventory. And I'm going to choose Google by default, and I can choose Facebook or GitHub, whatever you want. And now I can say create application. In my case, I'm going to choose Next.js and install Clerk. You can use npm or npm. I'm going to choose npm install Clerk Next.js. So Ctrl+C to restart the terminal and install it. And the second step, inside .env, I have to copy-paste the Clerk secret key and next public Clerk publishable key. So make sure to copy it and go to .env and paste it. Since you are using Next.js 16, instead of middleware.ts in Next.js 16, it becomes proxy.ts. So we have to create it inside the root of our project, inside inventory app, new file, proxy.ts, and I'm gonna paste everything. Now the next step is to go to layout.tsx to add Clerk provider, like this. So Ctrl+P, layout, and inside return, I'm gonna choose Clerk provider. And make sure to import it. Ctrl+ Clerk Next.js. Now, I'm gonna say npm run dev, but as you can see, nothing changed for Clerk, and still I can see the main page, because we have some incomplete steps. I'm going to choose continue to Next.js guide, and I'm going down to proxy.ts again. And as you can see here, we got is public route, which means everything inside is public route const will be not protected. So here we can do whatever we want. I'm gonna copy it and go to proxy and copy paste again. So is public route mean everything inside it will not be protected, and I can go to this page easily. But here in our case, only sign in is not protected. Maybe we can use another route. If I choose again, here we got sign in. We can choose also custom sign up page. And beside sign in, we can choose sign up. So sign in and sign up page will not be protected. If you want to create sign in and sign up page separately, of course we can do it. I will go back to sign in, here exactly, and I will create the route inside app. Make sure everything will be inside app. So inside app, new file, and I will copy paste the route and make copy, and the sign in page is ready. Now, if we are going to make sign up page, let's go again, but before going to sign up page, we have to make sure that we added everything inside .env about sign in page. So let's copy and paste. By the way, I'm gonna delete everything about Clerk secret key or next public Clerk publishable key, so please don't try to copy it, cause I will delete it. Now let's continue to custom sign up page and let's create sign up page. Copy the route inside app, new file, copy and paste. And the same thing for sign up page. We have to add it inside proxy. Let's copy it. And in this file, only one new line, and that's it, sign up page. So let's copy it and go to proxy again and paste it. So every page will be protected except sign in and sign up. So let's continue .env for sign up and paste it. Since we made some changes inside .env, we have to make npm run dev. So let's start the terminal again and npm run dev. And as you can see, the main page now is protected and I have to make sign in or register to continue.